Alright guys, let's jump to our next point in the difficulty 1 section of OWASP 2 Shop. So right now we're dealing with the repetitive registration vulnerability. The description tells us follow the try principle and see if you can do something while registering a user. And this falls under the improper input validation category. So let's just look a second at what the try means. And try is standing for don't repeat yourself, which is a principle of software development. It basically says that every piece of software of knowledge must have a single, unambiguous, authoritative representation within a system. So what we are going to do is we're going to have a look at the account registration, and let's assume we are not yet a customer. Come over here and let's put down a new user. I will call this dry at hackexplain.com, and I will give it a password of ASDF1. Now I go to repeat password and say ASDF1. So now they say the passwords are equal. Let's say what happens if I put down another one right here. It says passwords do not match, which makes sense because I have one character more in the repeat password section, right? What happens if I jump up to password again and fire in another time ASDF? Interesting. So now we don't see this error that we've just seen. So now we have ASDF1, ASDF right up here, and ASDF1 down below here. No error message. So let's see what happens if we conclude the sign up. Your eldest sibling's middle name obviously is, and there's only one choice, hackexplain. Alright, let's see if we can register that user. I'll click on register, and we see that we have successfully solved the challenge, repetitive registration. Alright, now before stopping this video, let's try to log in with that user. So I go over here and say dry at hackexplain.com, and I say ASDF1. Let's see if that works. Nope. Let's say ASDF1 ASDF. Yep, that worked. I can successfully log in myself with that user. This was it for today, and with that we actually conclude the severity difficulty 1 vulnerability section of OWASP 2 Shop. And stay tuned because we're going to keep on working on the difficulty 2s over here. As always, please subscribe up to the right, and thank you for watching.